The secret life of the fox. In the dim light of dawn, a shadow slips silently through the mist. Its steps are light, its eyes sharp, and its ears always listening. This is the fox, a creature of mystery, intelligence, and adaptability. Known in myths as the trickster, and in the wild as a master of survival, the fox is one of nature's most fascinating predators. The shape of cunning. The fox belongs to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, coyotes, and domestic dogs. But unlike its larger cousins, the fox is built for stealth and speed rather than sheer strength. Its slender body, bushy tail, and sharp muzzle make it instantly recognizable. A fox's tail, often called a brush, is more than just decoration. It helps with balance while running, serves as a blanket in winter, and is used for communication within the species. The most familiar species is the red fox, Vulpes vulpes, found across the northern hemisphere. Its vibrant orange-red fur, black legs, and white-tipped tail make it a striking figure in any landscape. But foxes come in many colors and sizes, from the pale desert-dwelling fennec fox to the snow-white Arctic fox. Masters of adaptation. Few animals are as adaptable as the fox. They live in almost every type of habitat: forests, grasslands, mountains, deserts, and even cities. This adaptability has allowed foxes to thrive on nearly every continent. In rural areas, foxes hunt small mammals, birds, and insects. In urban environments, they raid trash bins, scavenge leftovers, and even adapt to eating pet food. They are opportunistic feeders, taking advantage of whatever is available. The fox's senses are finely tuned for hunting. Its hearing is so sensitive it can detect the sound of a mouse beneath several inches of snow. Its eyes are designed for low-light vision, giving it an advantage during the night and twilight hours. The hunt. A fox hunts with a mix of patience and sudden bursts of energy. It may stalk its prey quietly for several minutes before making its move. When hunting in snow, the fox uses a distinctive pounce, leaping high into the air and diving nose-first into the snow to catch hidden prey. Its diet is varied: rabbits, rodents, birds, insects, berries, and even fish. This omnivorous diet is another reason foxes survive so well in changing environments. Family life. Foxes are generally solitary animals, but they form family groups during the breeding season. Mating usually occurs in winter, and after a gestation period of around 50 days, the female, called a vixen, gives birth to a litter of 4 to 6 pups. The pups are born blind and helpless, relying entirely on their mother's care. The male, known as a dog fox, helps by bringing food to the den. Within a few weeks, the pups open their eyes and begin to explore their surroundings. Fox families stay together through the summer, with the young learning hunting skills through play and observation. By autumn, most pups strike out on their own, ready to begin solitary lives. The clever reputation. Across cultures, the fox has been a symbol of intelligence, cunning, and even deceit. In Japanese folklore, the kitsune is a magical fox spirit, sometimes a trickster and sometimes a protector. In European fables, the fox is clever but sly, always outwitting its rivals. Native American legends often portray the fox as both a teacher and a mischief maker. This reputation isn't just a human invention. In the wild, foxes truly are problem solvers. Studies have shown they can remember the locations of hidden food for weeks. They use creative hunting strategies and adapt quickly to avoid danger. The urban fox. One of the most surprising aspects of fox life today is how well they've adapted to cities. Urban foxes can be seen at night trotting down sidewalks, slipping through alleyways, and resting in quiet backyards. They make dens under sheds, in parks, and even beneath buildings. While city life offers food and fewer natural predators, it also brings challenges: traffic, disease, and conflict with humans. Yet, their numbers in some cities continue to grow. The Arctic survivor. At the opposite extreme is the Arctic fox, a master of survival in one of the harshest climates on Earth. Its thick fur changes color with the seasons. White in winter for camouflage in snow, brown or gray in summer to blend with the tundra. Arctic foxes can withstand temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius and survive months of darkness. These foxes hunt lemmings, fish, and seabirds, and they often follow polar bears to scavenge from their kills. In the Arctic's frozen silence, the fox's adaptability is its greatest weapon. Threats and conservation. Despite their adaptability, foxes face threats from habitat loss, hunting, and disease. In some regions, they are hunted for their fur or seen as pests by farmers protecting livestock. Diseases such as rabies can devastate fox populations, particularly in rural and wild areas. In some countries, conservation efforts include vaccination programs and habitat protection. Foxes are not endangered globally, but some species, like the Darwin's fox of South America, are rare and at risk due to shrinking habitats. A symbol in our lives. Why are we so fascinated by foxes? Perhaps it's their dual nature, wild yet familiar, cautious yet curious. They live close to us, but we rarely see more than a flash of red fur disappearing into the night. They remind us that intelligence is as much a survival tool as strength. That in nature, flexibility often beats force. And that beauty can be both delicate and fierce. Closing scene. As the first light of morning touches the land, the fox pauses on a hill, its breath visible in the cool air. Its ears twitch. It listens. In a heartbeat, it slips away into the undergrowth, vanishing as quietly as it appeared. The forest grows still again, but somewhere nearby, the fox is watching. Always watching. Because in the secret life of the fox, every moment is a game of survival, a dance with the land, and a testament to the power of adaptability.